In this video, we're going to look at how to work out area and perimeter. These are key topics that feature in every exam. They are also skills that you will need in your everyday and working life. Think about working out how much paint you need to decorate your new flat, or how many fence panels you need to put around a garden. The first skill you need is how to recognise the difference between area and perimeter. You might also have to convert units, such as from centimetres to metres. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. To find the perimeter of a shape, add the lengths of all the sides together. So what is area then? This is the space inside a shape. To work out the area of a square or a rectangle, multiply the length by the width. The answer needs to be shown as squared. We do this by using the superscript 2. Let's look at an example. Oscar wants to fertilise his lawn. The lawn measures 7.5 metres by 5.5 metres. He has a box that contains 1.5 kilograms of lawn fertiliser. It says on the box that 35 grams of fertiliser covers 1 metre squared. The first thing you need to do is decide whether this is an area or a perimeter question. The reference to metres squared indicates that it is area. Now, let's get back to the working out. Will one box be enough to cover Oscar's lawn? Let's work out the area of the lawn first. 7.5 metres times 5.5 metres equals 41.25 metres squared. Now let's work out how much fertiliser he needs. Multiply the area of the lawn by the amount of fertiliser Oscar needs to cover 1 metre squared. This works out at 41.25 times 35 equals 1,443.75 grams. Now we need to do a direct comparison with the amount we were given. But first, convert this into kilograms. 1,443.75 divided by 1,000 equals 1.44 kilograms. So yes, Oscar has enough fertiliser in the box which holds 1.5 kilograms. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've picked up some useful information about how to work out area and perimeter.